Hey everyone, the Sennheiser HDB 630 is a new addition to Sennheiser's premium over-ear lineup, designed specifically for listeners who value high-resolution audio reproduction. Built upon a refined version of the Momentum Force frame, the HDB 630 offers a familiar but slightly upgraded design language, emphasizing both durability and comfort. The ear cups are padded with soft Japanese protein leatherette, providing a plush, breathable fit ideal for long listening sessions. Inside the housing, Sennheiser has equipped the headphones with large 42mm drivers that deliver detailed, full-bodied sound with a focus on clarity and tonal accuracy. To enhance the listening experience further, the HDB 630 uses Qualcomm's aptX adaptive codec, capable of streaming at 24-bit at 96 kHz and bit rates up to 420 kilobits per second, while keeping latency as low as 80 milliseconds. This allows the headphones to dynamically adjust sound quality and delay, depending on the source and connection strength, ensuring consistent performance whether used for music, movies, or gaming. Sennheiser also includes a BDT700 USB-C transmitter dongle for smartphones and devices that lack aptX adaptive support, broadening compatibility across platforms. While LDAC support, popular among Android users, is not confirmed, aptX Adaptive provides a balanced mix of speed and fidelity suitable for most high-resolution content. The HDB 630's Smart Control Plus app adds considerable versatility. Users can fine-tune the sound through a full parametric equalizer, offering greater control than the typical bass treble adjustments found in many competitors. The app also introduces a left-right speaker blending feature for personalized stereo balance and allows users to share their EQ presets with others. Additionally, the headphones feature adaptive active noise cancellation that automatically adjusts to ambient sound levels, as well as a transparency mode that makes it easy to hold conversations without removing the headset. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless use and both 3.5mm analog and USB-C ports for wired connections. The inclusion of multiple interfaces makes the HDB 630 highly versatile, catering to audiophiles, professionals, and travelers alike. Battery life is another standout feature. Sennheiser claims up to 60 hours of continuous playback, and a quick 10-minute charge can provide up to 7 additional hours, making them one of the most endurance-focused wireless headphones in their class. Retailing for $499, the Sennheiser HDB 630 positions itself as a flagship model in the premium wireless audio market. Pre-orders open on October 8, 2025, with deliveries beginning October 21st. Available through Sennheiser's official Amazon store, the HDB 630 aims to deliver studio-grade sound quality in a luxurious, travel-ready form. With its advanced codec support, customizable sound profiles, long battery life, and refined comfort, it appeals to discerning listeners seeking the perfect blend of audiophile performance and everyday practicality. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.